Hello everyone. How to factorize this algebraic expression? Solution. At first we group like coefficient terms. That is 2 x to the power 4 here plus 2 coefficient 2 here constant 2 here and here like coefficient minus 5. Therefore write 5 x cube minus 5x plus 6x square. Now take common from these two terms 2. Then it will be x to the power 4 plus 1. Here we take common minus 5x. Then it will be x square plus 1 plus 6x square is equal to 2 into x to the power 4 is x square whole square plus 1 is 1 square minus 5x into x square plus 1 plus 6x square. Now according to formula a square plus b square, it will be 2 into x square plus 1 whole square minus 2ab, that is 2 into x square into 1, that is 2x square, minus 5x into x square plus 1 plus 6x square is equal to, it will be twice x square plus 1 whole square minus 2 into 2 4 x square minus 5x into x square plus 1 plus 6 x square. Now next step it will be 2 into x square plus 1 whole square minus 5x into x square plus 1 minus 4x square plus 6x square. It is 2x square. Let x square plus 1 is equal to y. Then it will be 2 into y square minus 5 into xy plus 2x square. Now factorizing these we get twice y square minus 4xy minus xy plus 2x square is equal to 2y common, then it will be y minus 2x minus x common, y minus 2x. From these two terms y minus 2x is common, then this divided by this is 2y, this divided by this is minus x. Now recall y is equal to x square plus 1, then this expression will be x square plus 1 minus 2x into 2 into x square plus 1 minus x. Next step, x square minus 2x plus 1, and this will be 2x square plus 2 minus x. Next step, it will be x minus 1 whole square, and it will be 2x square minus x plus 2, and this is the final answer of this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment. Also subscribe my channel. Goodbye.